back, students. This is the problem from the question paper. I think last year's question paper. Okay, I am solving this question was appeared for 10 marks. Okay, it was appeared for 10 marks. So it is important concept where you have to find Fisher-Irex which satisfied TRT and FRT. So I'll explain this problem. From the following data, calculate the price index number by using Laspeyres method. Fisher index method number also satisfy that how Fisher index satisfies TRT and FRT. Okay, so you have to, first thing is you have to calculate the Laspeyres price index. Okay, second is you have to find Fisher index, and then you have to see whether that Fisher index satisfied both TRT and FRT. And here they have given as item price value of base and the current year. So if you consider 2017, it is base year, that is 0, and 2018 is the current year. One more difference here in this problem is they have given us price. Okay, this will be P0, P1, but they have given us value. They have not given us the quantity. So what we have to do, we have to first find the quantity. Okay, so how to find the quantity is price. Okay, price into quantity is equal to, we get value. Okay, we do not have quantity, so quantity is equal to value divided by price. When we divide value by price, we will get the value of quantity. Okay, so like this, first we have to calculate the quantity. So we will directly write here items. Okay, items P0, Q0, P1, Q1. Okay, so P0, what are the values of P0? 10, 8, 20. So same thing we have to write here, 10. Okay, what are the items? A, B, C, D and E. These are the items. So we have 10, 8, 20, okay, 18 and 35. 18 and 35. Now we have to find the quantity of the base year. So how will you calculate the quantity? It is the value divided by the price. Okay, value divided by the price. So value is how much? 200 divided by, what is the value of, what is the price? 10. So 10 ones are 10, 20s are. So it will be 20. Okay, next for second year, it is value is 108 divided by price is 8, 13.5. So same thing you can write here, 13.5. Like this, for all the informations you have to calculate. So we got the quantity. So how we will get the quantity? So we have value divided by the price, so we will get the quantity. Similarly, we have to calculate the quantity for the current year. So we have prices, that is 12, 10, 25, 20, 30. Okay, we are writing the same price over here. So now we have to find the quantity. How will you find? So value of the current year divided by the price of the current year. So 300 divided by 12, 220 divided by 10. So like this you have to calculate and find the value. So we found the quantity. Okay, now we need summation P1 Q0, summation P0 Q0, summation P1 Q1, summation P0 Q1. These are the four informations we need. Now we have to calculate it. How will we calculate summation P1 Q0? It is P1 into Q0, 20 into 12. Okay, so 20 into 12 you will get around 240. Next, 10 into 13.5. 10 into 13.5 will be 135. Next, 8 into 10 will be 80. sorry, 25 into 8 will be 200, sorry. Next 20 into 8 will be 160, 8 into 30 will be 240, okay, 240. Similarly you have to calculate P0 Q0. So 10 into 20 will be 200, 8 into 13.5, 20 into 8, like this. For all the informations you have to calculate. So I already found the values of each items, okay. Now what we have to do, we have to find the total of it, okay. Total of summation P1 Q0. So we will get 240 plus 135 plus 200 plus 160 plus 240, it will be 975. Similarly we have to calculate all the three. So we found all the values, okay, we have totaled it and we have found the summation of each items. Now first thing what they have asked us to calculate is, they have asked us to calculate the last price method. So A, last price method, okay. First thing we have to calculate is last price method under price index, okay, last price index. So how will you calculate? So price index of last price is equal to summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100. So this is the formula to calculate last price method. Now what is the value of summation P1 Q0? It is 975 divided by P0 Q0, it is 872 into 100. So when you calculate, okay, when you calculate you'll get 975 divided by 872 into 100, will get 111.81. So for P01 of last price it will be 111.81.